Now, another example where we've got a squared minus b squared, or factorising a squared minus b squared to make a plus b, a minus b, happens here where we've got a binomial factor, or two binomial factors in this case. So over here what we're going to do is we're going to say we've got, so this is, we've just got to consider this our a term and this our b term. So I'm just going to write that underneath, and I'll do it in red. So that's our a term minus b. Now, in that case, a squared is already x minus 1 squared. We've got to find something squared that makes 4. Well, that's going to be 2 squared. So we've got x minus 1 all squared minus 2 squared. Now, from there, we can start applying this rule. So we'll be left with x minus 1, that's our a term, plus 2. And then, once again, our a term, x minus 1, and we do minus 2. That's what we've got here. So that's our a term. Our x minus 1 is our a term, and 2 is our b term. And from there we simplify. So this becomes x, negative 1 plus 2 gives us plus 1. And this will become x, negative 1 minus 2 gives us negative 3. In a slightly different context, this is our a term, and this is our b term. This is already squared for us. So this is like a squared, b squared. So here we've got x minus 1 all squared, x minus 5 all squared. So in this case, what we're left with is, we're going to say x minus 1, that's our a term, plus x minus 5. And I'm going to put these two in their own sets of brackets. And then we're going to have x minus 1. That's our a term. Now we've got a minus, just like we're minusing here, minus our b term of x minus 5. So from there, we should have another set of brackets there. So now from there, we're going to simplify. So x plus x gives us 2x, negative 1 plus negative 5 gives us negative 6. That's what we end up with in our first set. Over here in our second set, x minus x will cancel them out. So we've got negative 1 minus negative 5. So this becomes negative 1 plus 5. So we've got 4. So if we were to factorise that, that's what we end up with there. So the same as 2x minus 6 times